All right, so today I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain name. All right, so first we're going to go over here to the left menu to website settings. Then we're going to scroll up here to domains. And right here it is showing the system domain that is already connected. And this comes with the website. So the system domain is basically what you enter here, and it's going to be followed by .brandokit.com. Now, if I wanted to change this system domain name, I can just click here, click there, and I can enter something new here. And I can click change, and it'll change just this first part here. But this is the system domain. But we want a custom domain. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click this, connect an existing domain. Now, it's asking me to enter the domain name that I purchased. So I'm going to enter that. funnelcakesrus.com. Now, this is just an example using a demo account, but I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain name. So a custom domain is just basically a domain name that you purchased from another company like GoDaddy or Namecheap. That is the setup that we're going through now. And I'm going to go ahead and click Connect Domain. All right. So here, this information here is what I'm going to take to my hosting company, and I'm going to update the DNS records. So I'm going to plug these two entries here into the DNS records at the hosting company. So I already have my hosting company up here, and it is GoDaddy. Now, whoever you purchased your domain from, it may look similar. So what you're going to do is you're going to locate the section that's labeled domains. And here's some of my domains here. But the one that we're going to connect is the funnelcakesrus.com. I'm going to select the three dots here, and yours may be different, maybe a drop-down menu. And then I'm going to select Manage DNS. And this will be the same at whatever company that you're using. You want to manage the DNS. All right, so here is going to take me to the DNS records. So like I said, we want to take the information that we have here, and we're going to update the DNS records within our hosting company. So I'm going to add a DNS record. I'm going to click add, and here it wants to know the type, the name, and the value. So we're going to go back to the platform. So the name, we're going to enter the @ symbol. The record type is going to be A, and this is our value. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the value. All right, so let's go back. So the record type, we already know, is an A record. The name is the @ symbol, and the value, I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to leave this here, default, and then I'm going to select add record. And that was successful. As you can see, the A record here has been updated. So now we want to go back and we want to add the CNAME record. So I'm going to go ahead and click add. And as you can see, it's asking for the same information, the type, the name, and the value. So I'm going to go back to the platform. Here's the name, www, the record type, CNAME, and the value. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the value. I'm going to go back over to the hosting company. All right. So we know that the record type is a CNAME. The name is www, and the value, I'm going to paste it. I'm going to select add record. And that is it. We have successfully updated the hosting company where our custom domain is located. We have updated the DNS records. That's all we have to do. and you can log out of your hosting company. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and exit. So now I'm back at the platform. So now what I want to do, since I have updated that information, I'm all set on this side. I am going to refresh this. I'm going to go back into domains. And as you can see now, the check mark is under the custom domain name that we purchased. I'm going to click the gear icon, toggle DNS settings, and it should be green. Now it's showing that this domain name here is active. That is how you set up your custom domain name.